Hello and welcome. I am Bree and I will be leading you today on a Heart Chakra meditation. The Anahata Chakra is all about giving and receiving love, not just to others, but also for yourself. So please go ahead and lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes and join me in this journey. Yum. This is our space about connecting with each other and connecting with ourselves, cultivating compassion for ourselves and also in our relationships, be it romantic, familiar, or friendly. Yum. This is the space where we are joyful, radiant, our authentic selves, and generous with others and with ourselves. We cultivate love in our lives through gratitude. Join me as we exclaim our gratitude. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yum. I love and accept myself. 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 Yum. I am loving and lovable. 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 Yum. I will lead you now through a loving kindness meditation. This is where we develop compassion. You start now by focusing on our breath. If you want, you can put a hand on your chest and a hand on your belly. Inhaling in through our nose, feeling that expansion in the belly and the chest, and exhaling out through our nose. Our chest falls and our belly contracts. Inhaling in, expanding and exhaling, contracting, inhaling in, receiving love, and exhaling, releasing, forgiving, receiving, and releasing, receiving, and releasing, receiving, and releasing. I ask you to visualize someone in your life, an acquaintance, a friend, not a romantic partner, an easy relationship in your life. Bring their face into your mind's eye. Look them in the eyes and smile and say to them, may you be well and may you be happy. I now call you to bring to your mind's eye yourself standing in the mirror in your bathroom. Look at your beautiful face. Smile to yourself. Notice your beauty. Notice this radiance that shines through your eyes. Say to yourself, may you be well, may you be happy, and I love you. I ask you to visualize yourself at the grocery store, at the checkout. Look to the cashier. Smile to them and say to them, may you be well and may you be happy. I ask you now to bring to mind a difficult relationship in your life. Someone perhaps that you love that has hurt you. Perhaps a relationship that's become strained. Perhaps someone that needs your forgiveness or that you may need to ask forgiveness. Imagine yourself standing in front of them. Look into their eyes. Smile softly. And they smile back at you just as sweetly. And say to them, may you be well and may you be happy. Yum.
When you're ready, very softly and very sweetly, open your eyes and come back. Thank you so much for joining me today, for taking this moment to show yourself love and compassion. And I hope that you're able to take this feeling forward in your days, in your relationship with yourself and with others. May you be well and may you be happy. And I will see you soon. Ciao.